ATL, whole lot of Westmont going on, whole lot of trophies, man. And, you know, I'm from LA. Now we in Westmont, Atlanta. Finna meet Westmont, New York. We global. We got Westmont, LA, Westmont, Texas, Westmont, Atlanta, and Westmont, New York. Like 4 to 5 major cities. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of Westmont. You know what I'm talking about?
Don't slide nobody down, and if they miss, it's been again. When they come back to the block, I take this gun, don't miss again.
Shit, you hear me?
Ain't gonna lie, this shit crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit crazy.
First day off the drink, you know? Yeah.
For grand something, do a come band something. Hop up out that steamer, squeeze this bitch till my hands nigga. Choppers for good handgun.
Baby.
Fuck is up? Ready? What is what doing this?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
G, bro.
Yo,
Rico,
bro.
JC, bro. You already?
Yo,
Rico.
Y'all hungry?
Yeah.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna smoke this. Whew. Some of my niggas though. Yeah, man. Niggas ATL. Hey, bro, I ain't never been out here. This shit crazy.
Nah, this shit is alright, nigga. The Betty's is bad, nigga. Shit.
Well, I just seen a. I saw the dead. I just seen a. He gonna put bust down on because he seen you though. Here and shit like that shit is crazy.
Nah, yeah, it's good.
We got New York, Texas, Atlanta, and LA. Like 4 to 5 biggest fucking states.
So that's
They don't get over here.
A couple niggas send me some dogs, you heard? Like, yo, look.
Some nice shit, huh?
Some nice shit.
You see him rocking the merch, man. Dog breed my sport, man. Cuz of cracking, cuz I got 6, 7 dogs. He coming strong with it. You know what I'm saying? He represent purebred legendary bullies.
You know what I'm saying? Westmont Exotics, purebred legendary bullies. Atlanta, LA, nigga taking over everything, you feel me?
That's how I said. We're gonna be out here for less than a day, man. We finna come strip the.
I see, but look how niggas came though. Look how niggas came out here though.
Niggas regular right now, man. Regular, man.
Be outside with it.
That way.
Big smoking.
Niggas work hard for this, you heard?
That way. That's crazy. So, we're gonna go meet ATL, and you know what I'm saying. We're gonna get bro y'all right. You know what I'm saying. From the quality as far as the genetics for the promotion, we gonna, you know what I'm saying, we gonna give him some of that Westmont sauce, and we're gonna be out here probably a couple times a year for sure, making sure everything goes as planned. And this is network. It's another home base now we got in the United States, so we're gonna use it as best way we can. And it's Black Hollywood, you know what I'm saying. So it's great for, you know what I'm saying, for us to be down here. There's money down here. It's a lot of deserving folks. So there's bully money, you know what I'm saying. So.
Big doulas.
Like I said, we was talking about dogs. Then my man Rico actually, he found them on the gram. And actually he helped me buy my first dog, my man Zeus. I'm about to show him to the public in a couple days because he just hit 5 months. But yeah, we was actually talking about it, and we decided actually Rico, we found Rich, and we agreed that he was one of the best dudes that we wanted to do the business with. So we tapped in, and like I say, he's one of the guys, one of the best people to do the business with when it comes to this dog breeding.
Sure.
Can't complain, everything's smooth so far, you know?
Okay.
Just gonna lay back and see how things go, man.
What kind of pup is Zeus? What does he look like?
Zeus, he's a lilac micro bully, right?
Yeah.
He's a fire boy. I'm gonna show him soon.
Okay. That's what y'all specializing in, Westmont?
Yes, sir.
The micro bullies?
Yes, sir.
Bullies.
For sure.
Wait.
What up, man?
What
up,
up,
Chief
minute
G?
away, huh?
Yeah, I already know what you said. What was that?
What's up, man? Nice to meet you, bro. Let me see what this nigga got. Fucking Lala right now, all the puppies.
What's up? Put him on
What's
cam.
the deal?
What's up, bro?
Body. Look at the body.
Hey, it's a little fresher. No, this is your girl. That's when she move around. So y'all can just
She buff. She like Sensei.
shorter back.
She look just like Sensei. She like his twin. Oh my God.
It's crazy because she look big, like in the pictures. And
Yeah.
I told you she was small, right?
Yeah, she look.
body.
I frame her.
You like it? Real talk, man. How old is that? How old is he's 3.5 months around there, bro?
Oh, he gonna be a stud.
This is other sister. That's one. That's a Snoop Puff. Mom.
No, who?
Yeah, that's his sister too.
How much you want for her?
I don't know what you want to do.
Like not like some decent shit though. You know, like some me friends now.
No, look at her though.
Oh, this shit. That white one.
Oh wow.
My Red Bull daughter.
Yeah.
She 11 months.
Oh nah.
So how long y'all been up to this, family?
Shit, 20 years, bro.
20 years?
20 years, man.
20 years.
What's the name of y'all kennel?
Shit, Lunar God,
Okay.
OGK, and
This is our legendary guideline.
Oh, for sure.
Well, crypto blood.
When you got the ears clipped?
Recently. Like, only been like a couple days.
Who is this right here?
It's my,
Yeah, that's the stash. I made him pull a stash out.
11 months, bro. Red Bull.
Listen, he got her. He got 5 of her sisters on here. Same litter. You got the whole litter.
Yeah, bro. What we out here
Give
doing,
me
man?
that bit.
Oh man, networking with these dogs, man. Turn the camp up.
Yes, sir. Westmont.
Westmont is all the ATL, man.
Oh,
ATL,
okay.
we in here.
you don't have the body like you did. Oh, kill it, man.
That's my mama. You heard what I said.
Stuff he's 2,500 now.
Huh?
Fresh stuff he's 2,500.
That's gonna be so little.
I'll break Gremlin and shut this shit down too, man.
Gremlin?
I got one of the crazy bitches. It's about that size.
That's the shit you want to sell. This is the look you want to sell. Right. And this is solidify the look, so that's why a nigga buying that.
That's your short.
The first one off this was I'm finna keep all the
That's your
motherfuckers.
shorties over the whole.
I'm gonna buy all of them, whatever he sell, but he gonna keep them motherfuckers. That shit is like, that shit ain't about money. Rico. But you could though. You could make some money. On a nigga like me, I would make some money. I kick everything up. Like, come on, man. This not about the business war. This about all this respect. Like, these niggas came right. You know what I'm saying? They trying to get right. It's a bitch. Yeah, you gotta
do it like that?
You gonna turn this up over here?
Yeah.
Y'all niggas play. I like that.
How long you staying down here?
Till 6 in the morning. These niggas gonna go at 4. I'm gonna fuck with y'all until 6 in the morning.
Yeah, we can kick it in.
Yeah.
Shake around the 8, man.
Hell yeah. That's what I came to do.
Where they go?
The other one. I think they put it back in the house.
Oh, they put it back in the house? Hey, they look. They look.
Oh my gosh, wow.
That's what I told you should do. That's what I would do.
This guy knows what he's doing, man.
He was like, I
No wonder he's the president. He's the president, right?
He was like, I hit her right back to her brother.
We all equal, man. We all, he own 100% of Westmont, New York. Yeah. I mean, I own none of it. Man. We all
Family, yeah.
Yeah. We all on the same level.
Hey, who's this dog over here? I didn't change.
Maverick.
Prodigy.
The legendary dog.
Right. Man, I could put many fresh on one of those. Nah,
Yeah, man.
You, man.
Yeah. You got to,
Yeah.
man. On the Merle?
Hell yeah.
You know,
Yeah, but you like Merles?
If it's right, if it's like that, hell yeah.
if it's like
Yeah,
that,
you
Papa.
know the Merle game kind of weak right now.
My dog can stack up. My Merle dog,
A lot of
he's
Merle
right here.
dog, they-
He can
yeah,
stack up for no
Park.
fresh. He's dead. He can stack up for no
Yeah,
fresh.
yeah.
Right now.
Shit.
But he's dead, so we ain't gonna talk about it.
You did?
He's dead.
Yeah.
But we ain't gonna talk about it. But yeah, he. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
If that was a girl, I would have bought that dog.
Oh, the light
What a
boy?
girl! What a girl right
Oh,
there.
we got plenty of girls.
Oh, we got girls at
He
the.
said they got plenty of
We got
girls.
plenty of
Bro,
girls.
they got the
Let
line
me
on.
see something. Let me get how much for the bitch, man? What you trying to I mean,
Which one?
I got it at the other
Sister?
camp though.
You gotta have his
the
camp.
sister.
Yeah, he got it.
What about that's the sister?
Oh yeah, the one that came out a while ago.
Don't do it. Don't.
That gotta be another. That might have to be another. You know, another day. You know what I'm saying?
What you mean? Oh, you ain't ready to sell it?
I'll trade for the other one.
Trade for what?
Y'all can buy the other one.
Nah, what?
Oh yeah, you trying to get it.
Right, look, check it out.
Trying to
Check it out.
wrap it up and then keep getting more and more.
Gee, this is right.
Bust down crew.
man. It's crazy. A whole lot of Westmont. You hear me?
For sure.
Whole lot of that shit.
You said what?
Where that dog go? Mini fresh? No, we ain't taking no more.
Nah, yeah, it's over.
We'll buy that bitch too. But we not finna spend no mini fresh money though.
Oh, now you see
We ain't got no mini fresh money right now.
two different style dogs, but
Yeah, two different styles. Though.
you like the, like I said.
What's the
we
style
don't-
of your dog?
You see, bro?
He
What you want for
said
it?
he laughed.
She ain't for sale though,
But
but
if you sold her today, how much you take?
like I said, we turned out 30, 40K for her for.
Yeah.
So
I want him. Yeah, I want him so. Yeah.
no,
Not
what's
her.
Man.
No, what's your name?
No, he know.
He
Niggas
see
know.
him, he was like,
It's
wow.
like, nah, huh? That's what I'm saying. I can't guarantee you a pub because we was gonna keep it in the Westmont for 1 year.
Yeah, but y'all gonna tax it, so I
Nah,
might not
never,
even wanna buy
never.
it. This guy here. he
Look,
looking
look,
like-
look.
I'm gonna wax his ass back.
I can't wait for you.
I can't wait to wax him back.
I can't wait for him to call. I can't wait for that
He said he can't wait
call.
for that call and shit.
Look, look.
Hey, we're gonna get some of that money back. That's why I said sell us another dog. So we can sell us one more dog.
I'll be balancing you, yeah.
You know the money, we good, bro.
I know y'all good. Y'all good people, though. Like I said.
And it's the promotion too. You get one from that too. Like, you know, this shit, we going crazy with this shit. They gonna know. Like, somebody else is gonna come here after we leave. For sure. No, somebody's gonna come for sure.
We normally don't let motherfuckers come over here.
I'm trying to tell you, when we leave, somebody's gonna come over here and drop a bag. Every time we go buy a dog, somebody come follow up and buy a dog after that.
We always thought this is the only one I like so far I've been selling. I don't even sell my girl bitches.
Yeah, we really don't,
I
man.
don't.
'Cause you think
I
about
keep
it,
all my stock.
our pups, they go for 10, 15K, you know? Like,
Easy.
sometimes it's not even worth it to sell the mom.
I'm not even gonna lie. That's
You drop
easy.
one litter, you know what I mean? It's almost like 2 pups is equal to her. You selling a bitch for 30, 40K. I mean, you know,
Follow
sometimes.
this guy, man. This guy, he knows the genetics. This guy right here.
That's what I'm saying. His guidance. That's what I'm saying. Like you say how you say you bought that stud.
Now, people
They
being,
would've told me
I
something.
hit him,
Yeah,
but he was
well,
like,
you know.
I wouldn't do it, but I had to do it. I had to breed her the next
I told him
day.
I wouldn't did it.
You know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to miss the heat, so I just went ahead and did the quickest move I could.
No, bitch, find me this bitch right
Yeah.
here. What's up, Bully fam? How y'all doing? I would like to introduce you guys to this beautiful bad bitch. I think y'all know her already. She go by the name of Mini Fresh. I would like to thank my man K-Dog right here for selling me his fucking best bitch on his fucking camp, bro. The best bitch in Atlanta, bro. We about to really kill shit out here. Thank you, K-Dog. You the man, bro. Westmont way or no way, y'all
A
hear
whole
me?
lot of that shit.
It's
Westmont,
gonna be
dog.
that bitch right here to fuck shit up. Tell him. Get him. Thank you again, K-Dog.
That's it.
Hey, y'all gonna do good things in this bitch, man.
Go.
Y'all gotta get 2 pup, man.
Nah.
Cannon boy gonna get 2 pup.
I appreciate that.
Safe flight.
Head off,
Hold up.
Whole lot of that shit, man. You know what's going on. Based on the stud deals and, you know what I'm saying, everything that Westmont offers you, what you can and cannot do. This is a business contract, so you're obligated once we sign. You're obligated by everything. So I'm gonna try to make sure y'all read over it before I sign. But this is everything on paper. You feel me? So me thinking nigga finna fuck like a nigga just did, it's not gonna go like that.
You heard say something. Y'all gonna tax me back, so just tax y'all.
I'm going to go get mine. Yeah, fuck it, bro. Dub, bro. Because the longer you wait, the longer it's going to take. I'm trying to get my money. I'm trying to have my shit back by the fall at least. Right after summer. Trying to have. You know what I'm saying? We're dropping the perfect dogs, nigga. If it ain't perfect, it ain't worth it, nigga. You know what I'm saying? These dogs going to be worth every motherfucking penny. You know what I'm talking about? We buying the most exotic, the most correct, the most girthiest. Hey man, where's my ATL, man? We're gonna have all of that shit, man. Shout out to Rich for even putting this shit together, man. This nigga's a genius. You're gonna see that shit in a couple years. I said it first.
Oh, okay.
That's what we doing. We trying to buy more dogs. We investing in shit. We ain't playing with it. We paying money to work. We ain't putting it to sleep.
Okay.
You know what I mean? We ain't even worrying about the bank. We just trying to keep buying dogs.
My boy brought out a little Papa Do's money today. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, something light. What it is, a stud fee? What it was?
Yeah, we just trying to lock in a dog.
You
Trying to buy some
feel
shit.
me? Alright. Where we going? What?
Shout out to the whole Westmont, man. So it's a big thing going on right now, man. Shit bigger than big, man. For sure. For sure, man. $1 billion company right here.
Start. I'll keep going.
Oh, yeah, you can keep
We on the way to Westmont ATL location. We finna meet up with him. You know what I'm saying? We finna come up with a, you know what I'm saying, a plan. You know what I'm saying? Progress his yard as fast as possible. You know what I'm saying? With quality genetics. We're gonna check what we're gonna see what he got, we're gonna see what he need. We're gonna make the proper adjustments. You know what I'm saying? Bro them is, they ready for everything they're coming with. And we finna go pull up on them and we finna go, you know what I'm saying? We finna politic about these dogs. We finna see what we need, you know what I'm saying? And we finna get the cooking. We in Atlanta, fool, that's crazy. Like, these dogs got niggas going everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Nigga in Atlanta. Yeah, cause I wouldn't have did it if I didn't think it was gonna be like that. I ain't gonna halfway do nothing. That's why I didn't go so hard. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And it's crazy, this is the beginning, you know what I'm saying? Like, every member from Westmont, they bring something different to the table. Like, this shit is going on, is what I bring to the table. So you gotta imagine what 14, 15 other niggas finna bring to the table, you know what I'm saying? This is a piece of how I'm coming. But, you know what I'm saying? There's 14 other niggas brainstorming on how they can make the team better, and that's what we thriving for. Be the best, to be the best producer of exotic bullies, bulldogs, and Frenchies. Westmont ATL, man, we coming down here with the hottest and most exclusive exotics in the South Pier, man. We not playing fair, niggas. Knowing we coming with the craziest shit, man. My man's never signed in, man. Contracts done, man. It's official. Westmont Exotics ATL, the business.
For sure, man. It ain't about me or he, man. It's about we. You know what I'm saying? WE, Westmont Exotics, man. We just brought this shit down south to Atlanta. So all y'all niggas get that bag together. We see y'all niggas running around All-Star Weekend. Get that bag together, nigga. Go home with a dog, nigga, for you leave. You know what I'm saying? Westmont Exotics Atlanta. You gotta stay. Shit going past the roof. We going global with this shit, man. Stay tuned.